Well, hello, my little rays of sunshine. How are you today? I am going to read The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins. You can see it right there. Look at that. It is a fun book. Look at, there's a kitty on the back. You see it? Yeah, so get comfy cozy. I will too. And here we go. The doorbell rang. There's that kitty. Look at that mama. What'd she have? Yeah, it looks like she baked some cookies, doesn't it? Okay. I've made some cookies for tea, said Ma. Good, said Victoria and Sam. We're starving. Share them between yourselves, said Ma. I made plenty. That's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. They look as good as Grandma's, said Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma's, said Sean. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. Wow, they get 6 cookies each? Wow, that is nice. That is lucky, isn't it? It was Tom and Hannah from next door. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. Here they come. Well, there's still plenty of cookies, aren't there? That's 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Tom. And look as good, said Hannah. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. Oh, what do you think she's going to do now? Who do you think's at the door? It was Peter and his little brother. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. There they are, Peter and his little brother. They're going to share the cookies. I wonder how many cookies they'll each get now. Can you figure that out? That's 2 each, said Victoria and Sam. They look as good as your grandma's, said Peter, and smell as good. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. It was Joy and Simon with their 4 cousins. Oh my goodness. Do you think there's enough cookies for everyone? Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. Look at all those kids at the door. Can you see everybody's faces? How do you think they're feeling about sharing those cookies? And look at the little boys going to get more plates. Wow, I wonder if there's enough cookies. That's 1 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Joy. And look as good, said Simon. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. More people at the door? More kids? Look at their eyes. Oh, I don't know if they're happy about that. Do you think Ma's going to let them in? Let's read and find out. And rang. Oh, look at their faces. Some of them look mad, don't they? Look at this one. Some of them look mad. Ma's turned, but she hasn't opened it yet. Wonder why. Look are there any cookies left on that plate? No, but everybody has a cookie on their plate. 1 cookie. Remember, they started out with 6. Now they only have 1. What are they going to do if it's somebody at the door who they have to share their cookies with? Yeah, you're right. They could half it, couldn't they? Yeah. Well, would you want to half your cookie? I wouldn't. I want at least 1 cookie, right? Well, anyway. Oh, dear, said Ma as the children stared at the cookies on their plate. Perhaps you better eat them before we open the door. We'll wait, said Sam. They're all looking at the empty plate now and the 1 cookie on their plate. But boy, Sam was pretty nice. Mom is saying eat it before I answer the door, and Sam says, no, we'll wait. That was really the nice thing to do, wasn't it? Guess who's at the door? Can you make a wild guess, a prediction? Who's at the door? Let's read and find out. It was Grandma with an enormous tray of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share them with, said Grandma. It's a good thing I made a lot. Can you see the tray of cookies in Grandma's hand? How do you think the boys and girls feel now? Do they have to break their cookie in half and share it? No. Are they going to get more than one cookie? Yes. And no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. The doorbell is still ringing? You wonder who's at the door now? Well, that's the end of our story. So you could make up whoever you want to be at the door. Who would you make up to be at the door? More friends? Maybe Grandpa? Maybe a doggy or kitty? But this is kind of a fun story. It would be kind of fun to write a little end to this story. End it any way you want. So this is the doorbell rang. I hope you liked it, and I hope you have a good day, and I hope you shine today and every day. I know you will. See you next time.